Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. So today I'm having more pho, and I'm having cream cheese, bologna, and cheese sandwich. I just love cheese apparently. I'm recording. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to shout out Creations by Yankee, Christine Anderson. I'm going to shout out Beanie Amar Renee. And I'm going to shout out that Yarny Zebra, Dora Beth, and Mean Cat Do 65 today. Here are the channels I'm going to shout out today. Mimi and Dora Beth are my YouTube moms. They are awesome. They're amazing. Renee is trying to get to her 1K. So let's try to get her there. And Christina is an amazing friend of mine. So yeah. It's spicy. So yeah. Got milk in here. Milk is so good when you're eating spicy noodles. Let's try the sandwich. It's crooked. Yes, it was. Delicious. I may have just pudding, I'm not sure. Probably not, because I'm much want to eat. So yeah. So prayer video is coming, y'all. It's coming. It's only no swan, then prayer video, and then that's it. I'm going to talk on mukbang for dinner. I may do that in ASMR. Sharon, shout out to you. You love ASMRs. Just kidding, she hates them. I don't get why people hate AS. You either love to hate them or hate to love them. ASMRs, mukbangs. Is that true? Okay, noodles and done with. Ooh, bless me. This just came out of nowhere. Bless me.
She broke out of prison, Zach. Can you please?
So yeah. It's good. I'm done with this too. Okay, that will be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy it. I'm gonna finish this stuff. So, bye y'all. Bye. Have a good day or night where you are. Peace.